Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn where you can find device type for your channel in YouTube. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here, see more, and straight away you're gonna see here device type. And as you can see, like I got here, okay, mobile phone 2000 views, computer 550, tablet 300, game console 151. Then you get like watch time hours and average view duration. It's also really pretty cool to see. And that's it. So this is how you can do it, and this is how you can see the device type analytics in YouTube. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.